Children, now we are going to start sorting data frame. Sort the pandas data frame by multiple columns. Earlier we had studied about ascending order and descending order. Now we will sort our data by multiple columns. Import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. This is package and PD and NP is variable. Now hashtag we are writing comment, create a dictionary of series. With same table we are working by for multiple columns. D is equals to curly bracket, literals, name is our column, colon PD dot series, small bracket, square bracket, inside we will write some names and close square bracket, small bracket, comma. Second column is age, single literals, colon PD dot series, small bracket, big bracket, and age, close both the bracket, comma. Third column is score, colon PD dot series, small bracket, square bracket, and scores, and close both the bracket. And earlier we start that curly bracket, at the end we will close curly bracket. Now second comment is create a data frame. DF is our variable. DF is equals to PD dot data frame. We will call that D variable, bracket D. Print bracket, inside bracket inverted code data frame contents without sorting. Print PDF, DF. Now output is given data frame contents without sorting. Name, age, score, and 0, 1, 2, 3 is a series. In name column names, age column age is there, and in score column score is there. Now df is equals to df dot sort underscore values bracket by equals to inside square bracket age and comma and score in single letters. Earlier we worked with only a single column for descending order, only score we called, but now we are working with two columns, so that's why we are writing in square bracket single literals. First column is age and comma, and another column is score. Now we are working with two column, close square bracket, small bracket, then ascending is equals to inside square bracket true, comma, false, close square bracket and bracket. Now print bracket, inside inverted code write data frame contents after sorting. Now print df. Now right side we can see the output is given there, data frame contents after sorting. Name, age, score is column name. Now first see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. Now our data is sorted with two column, so 3, 2, 1, 0, 4 we got after sorting. Age and score also change according to the sorting. Hash, in the above example, dictionary object is used to create the data frame, comma, full stop. Elements of data frame object df is s, sorted by sort underscore value is method name. We are passing two columns s by parameter value in ascending parameters, also with two parameters, first true and second false, which means sort in ascending order of age and descending order of score. True for age column and false for score column. Now both the parameters we pass because we are using two column, so we are passing two parameters, first true and second false, which means what? Sort in ascending order of age and descending order of score. So we got the output according to this sorting. Now sort data frame. Second one is by index. Sorting over data frame index, sort underscore index. This is method name, that's why small bracket is there, is supported by sort underscore values bracket method. We will cover here three aspects of sorting values of data frame. We will cover here two aspects of sorting index of data frame. Now first point is how to sort a pandas data frame in Python by index in ascending order. And second point is how to sort a pandas data frame in Python by index in descending order. We know ascending and descending order, we worked earlier with this both the ascending and descending order. and we have seen the output of, we got the output also. Now we will use pandas data frame for ascending order and descending order. Now sort data frames. Sort the data frame in Python pandas by index in ascending order. So import pandas as pd, import numpy as np, hash create a dictionary of series, d is equals to curly bracket, first column is name colon pd dot series, small bracket, square bracket, name is given. Now close both the bracket, comma, age pd dot series and values according to that score, colon pd dot series, age is given and curly bracket close. Now create a data frame. df is equals to pd dot data frame. I am calling d here. Now df is equals to df dot reindex, because I am working for index. So now we will write here reindex, reindex, square small bracket, square bracket, 1 comma 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 0, close both the bracket. Now print data frame contents without sorting. Now we will call df. Now we right side we got the output, data frame contents without sorting, name, age, score. Now one name, age, score is column 1 4 3 2 0. df1, because earlier I am using df, so now the same variable we can't take, so right here I am taking df1 is equals to df dot sort underscore index bracket, print data frame contains after sorting, print df1. So after sorting, data frame contains after sorting we got 0 1 2 3 4. This is an index, through arrow it is showing that this is an index value, that 0 1 2 3 4. In above example, dictionary object is used to create the data frame. Elements of data frame object df is the first re-indexed by. This is a method name reindex. This is a method name which we had used in our program. Index 1 is a position at 0, 4, at 1 and so on. Then sorting by sort underscore index bracket method. By default it is a sorting in ascending order of index. We know that ascending order is by default, so we can no need to write